Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to update Roblox on Mac. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you want to update Roblox on your Mac to get the latest features and fixes, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Now, on my MacBook here, I have the Roblox app already installed. When I open it and look at the top left where it says Roblox, there's no built-in option to update the app. For some reason, Roblox doesn't allow updates from within the app itself. However, that doesn't mean you can't update it. To update Roblox manually, just open any web browser on your Mac, Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't really matter. In the browser, type in Download Roblox for Mac. At the top of the search results, you'll see the official download page for Roblox. Go ahead and click on that, then tap on the Download Mac App button and hit Allow if prompted. Depending on your system settings, the downloaded file might appear on your desktop or it might be in your Downloads folder. If you don't see it on your desktop, open Finder, go to Downloads, and look for the installer file there. Once you've located the installer, double-click on it. Then, double-click on Roblox Player Installer and hit Open. What you're doing here is overwriting your existing Roblox app with the latest version. If prompted, hit OK to terminate the older version of the app. The new installer will now run and replace the old version with the most up-to-date one. After the installation process completes, open the Roblox app again. Click on Roblox at the top left and then on About Roblox. You'll see the new version number listed there. That confirms that the update was successful and you now have the latest version of Roblox installed. So that's basically how you can update Roblox on Mac. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.